Bisitahin namin tong durian farm ng Davao since durian is like popular here. Durian, not melon. Meron dito mga rental ng bikes and go around. So ang pinupuntahan pala dito is not the actual park but eto raw sa labas. Yan, para dito sila nag-debate ng mga food. That's why I told you I can smell it. Pwede na! Yeah. It's good. Yeah.
Like ice cream?
Yeah.
Ito yung masarap na ice cream talaga.
Tama? Yung ice cream, no? Yan yung ice cream.
Yan yung golden.
Yan. Yan yung tamang ano.
Okay.
Okay. Oh, wow.
So, o-order mo dito.
Pwede na natin kainin dyan.
Yan, medyo green. Okay. Bisa. Plastic sa kamay.
Yan. It's good, right? Oh yeah, take it. Here, you could wipe up your face. Yung mga Chinese, ah.
Ano masasabi mo? Sa durian, not so bad. Oh, mag-iingat ka sa pagsasalita mo, nasa Davao ka.
Yan, mga Mexicano nakakita ng avocado ice candy. So it's not salsa anymore.
No,
You want to try? But you like the avocado ice cream yesterday, right?
Yes, I love the avocado
This
ice
is,
cream.
I eat this growing up. Here,
Okay,
bring
I
it over
love the
there.
avocado.
Yun naman hinahanap niya kasi di ba Mexicana? Avocado. You only make it for salsa, right?
Yeah. You don't use it for sweets, but avocado is also good for sweets.
You like the shape? Yeah, boy.
Chiquito.
Hey, I thought you said Filipino. Ano mga flavor? So kung gusto niyo i-try yung durian, ito, kung naababahuan kayo, unahin niyo muna yung ice cream. Kasi wala na amoy. Ito, avocado. Wow, sarap. If you can finish this.
Dali ako. Tangina, sakit.
Kawawa na may durian. Oh, this one looks too big. Hey, I wanted to try this one, Serena, but I don't know if we can finish it. It's big. Yeah.
Oh.
It's always like really good. It's like with milk too, condensed.
Oh, this is coffee.
I know he got one. Durian coffee.
Oh,
Good.
yeah.
Yeah.
Ito, kuya, sarap.
Yan. Ang haba pala nito, so ang dami pang pwedeng bilan. Ayan.
Yan, marami yan.
Yeah, try din natin yan, bro.
Sarap din yan.
Wow, I love it.
Wow. Malaki yan. Ayaw ko lulukin yan. Okay. It's good, right?
Yep.
Ito, malit yung buto. Did you already eat this?
Yeah.
Not yet.
What? The inside? No.
Yeah.
Yes.
Sarap pala.
But it's good.
Tsaka ang dakpa niya, kulay yellow.
It's raining?
Yeah, it's about to.
Not yet, but it will.
Not yet, but we can go inside.
Ano na? Sarap. Here.
No.
You want the small one? Chiquitito. Yan o. Sarap.
Pag nilunok mo yan, baka ma-stuck ka sa lamuyan mo. Sabihin mo, wala kang practice sa tip throat.
Look, the yellow one. What? Yun yung dagta, sinasabi niya. Galing ah. Wow.
Nice.
Wow.
Oh shit, mali pala yung pagkakasabi ko. Hindi na ako makakauwi na mali.
Oh, the coffee bean, you eat the bean before making it the coffee bean. So, ganun daw yung lasa, sabi niya. Okay, wow. I was wondering, was like, it tastes like coffee. I'm like, what? Parang guyabano langka na hindi mo malaman, matamis.
Actually, it's very similar to guayabano too.
Right?
Yeah,
And then
it's like
langka.
that.
Langka is like jackfruit,
Yes,
right?
but I haven't tried that one.
But not
I think-
sour.
What?
But it's not sour. So guyabana is
It's a little bit more.
sour stuff. Yeah. Why do you think there's one left?
One left wet.
Mango stew.
No, there's two.
Ah, there's two.
Gago!
I was gonna say it's a Filipino thing.
I've been watching it. I've been seeing it like yeah.
Ayan, so ang haba pa rito, hanggang doon pa sa dulo. Tapos ngayon may mga may mga tables, chairs sa labas. So akala namin may mga bibenta ng mga ulam-ulam, yung pala talaga kinakain lang dito yung mga fruits. So, which one's your favorite, you think?
This.
The mangosteen? Yeah. But everything is good though, huh? Yeah. Pero sabi mas masarap yung maliit na.
Wow. Medyo mapahit na yung
Pag malaki na.
Pahit yun.
Yun.
We don't want that.
It's good, huh?
But
You
yes,
like it?
I like it.
Yeah, so pag pumunta kayo dito, last time nasa Davao ako, hindi kami pumunta rito. Puntahan nyo to. It's actually really good.
I'm less picky with fruits than with.
Yeah, of course. Yeah.